Okay, as you see, guys, I'm really trying here. It is the fourth time that I'm installing Microsoft, and suppose they bought the Windows 10 Pro and all that, not with a hacky license. This is an actual real license, and it's not only doing it on Brave browser, it's doing it on almost every single thing. I can't even click stuff around the computer, and I'm actually clicking right now on the taskbar to pull the task manager. I just don't, I cannot even deal with this. Look, I can grab this down. It is the glitchiest thing that I've ever seen. I don't know what they've done with the updates, and heavens forbid, I am not good. Look, all the commands that I press come back now at once. And this is not a slow computer or a cheap computer. Look, settings, I didn't even click settings. Just, this is bare bones Microsoft. Straight, I downloaded the ISO from Microsoft itself, installed it myself. I did everything properly, how it's supposed to be. And this is just what's gonna break camel's back for me. I am done with Windows. I will only use Windows from now on when I wanna show you a tutorial for you guys. But as per myself, I don't think I will ever touch Microsoft again as my daily driver. And what's more freaky now was brought to my attention watching Brightech09. I will leave a link in the description to his channel. He made a beautiful video on Microsoft's new user agreement. And I will show you here briefly. Let me see if this other window will open. Looks like it kind of opened. And this is something you will have to go yourself and read it. I'll leave a link to the service agreement and the privacy statement. There is no chance I am putting my data to data collectors. I understand advertisers. I understand all the other stuff. And yes, I understand advertisement is what making me to be able to even upload these videos to YouTube. But YouTube is a platform that I choose to use, to watch, to learn. Microsoft, on the other hand, is indeed a platform that I chose to install, yes. But Microsoft kind of a forced technique on people because not everybody's gonna learn Linux. Not everybody's gonna learn any of the distros that fast. And as you see right here, forget about that. Yeah, your content, by the way, it says right here, if you read the whole thing, which if you share it in their services is from the time you start the computer. You are on Microsoft services. Keep that in mind. So now, by having your files, your shared files, your audio, video, pictures, now they have the right to share that content with third party, with their AI systems to train their AI. I understand that part, but I should be able to cut that out if I wish so, because I paid quite a hefty price for a license. And yes, I paid for Microsoft. So this is not something that I would say I just chose to share this data. No, that is not how this works. And now code of conduct, seriously. So in this case, seriously, as I was saying, don't do anything illegal. Of course, don't do anything illegal, but or try to generate or share content that is illegal. Okay, so don't try to generate content that is illegal because you don't have copyrights or ownership to that material. You are just downloading that picture for personal use. No, maybe to put a background of a flower on your desktop. Now that is illegal content. Why is that Microsoft's business? And then do not engage in activity that explodes and all that with the stuff. Okay, I agree with that. Everybody should be held responsible, especially with that point. But that point here comes on Windows aggregating that data, Windows filtering your data to decide if that's illegal and exploitive activity or not. But what if you have your own children? We all have families. We take goofy pictures. It's 2023. You put them on your Windows with the intention to, of course, crop them and make them look nice and print them, maybe to save those photos for life, because it's your children. But somebody at Windows or the AI thinks that, oh, this person is doing something illegal. Who's to decide? And there's so many other examples that just makes zero sense. Do not engage in offensive language. What is exactly offensive language? Because something that offends me maybe does not offend you and vice versa. That just does not make sense to me. Why is it Windows duty here to scoop through my data, have all those policies that you agree from the second that you log into your Windows or install a Windows in your computer. Absolutely, I disagree with that. And I'm fed up with Microsoft's glitchiness and them doing absolutely nothing about it. Absolutely nothing about it. I tested it in 3 different machines. The ISO provided by Microsoft with a good license. That was quite a few dollars. And it started doing the same exact stuff in all the machines. And yes, I know how to go to the settings. I set the policies right. I went to every corner of the operating system to make it work. It just refuses to work when I need it to work. Obviously, after a few minutes, it just explodes going on. 64 gigs of RAM that I have here, a nice GTX card that I have here, an i9 processor that I have here should be more than enough to run Windows 10 without a single problem. And I have barely any software installed. Let me put this window down. By the way, this is Brave, and it's becoming extremely glitchy, just like Microsoft. I am gonna show you in the next video what software I will use instead of Brave. As pleased as I was with Brave all this time, now they have started getting into that crypto stuff. I'm not against crypto, by the way. I used to mine crypto myself. I still hold some kind of crypto. I'm a tech guy. What do you want me to tell you? I have crypto. Whether you like it or not, I didn't really buy anything with it yet. I was unable to even convert it. That's how much I have. But it's completely glitching out the browser. It's putting down the main reason this browser was built. Supposedly it was built to be fast, secure, and just to work. Now, to the main desktop, I barely have any software here. This is nothing. This is absolutely nothing to say that, oh, you might have a lot of stuff on startup. On startup, look, these are just basic things. Basic, absolutely basic for the machine I have and for the software I have. And let me show you my startup, just so you guys believe what I'm saying. Everything is actually turned off. I was testing Easy Tether. I don't even need it right now anyway, but it has low impact, next to no impact. As you see, everything else is actually put to rest, and it does not start with a computer except Ransomware Defender. Obviously, I'm going to leave that starting. And these are the reasons I am saying forever, as a main daily driver machine or operating system, bye-bye to Microsoft and Brave browser. It has been a nice ride. It just is not working for me. And with that said, we'll see you in the next video with everything new, with what I am going to use as my software and what I'm going to use as my operating system. Please stay tuned, and I hope you learned something from this, and no, this is not me just ranting. I am honestly just displeased with the changes that have been made. With that said, I hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!